Hello, I'm Gwen, the Gwent police dog, and I want to introduce you to the Delivering a Safer Gwent Police and Crime Plan. As the Police and Crime Commissioner for Gwent, Jeff Cuthbert is responsible for publishing a Police and Crime Plan, which highlights the police and crime priorities for Gwent over the next 4 years. The 5 police and crime priorities which form the basis of the plan are 1. Crime prevention, taking action to prevent and reduce crime by working with partner organisations and communities to tackle crimes that present the greatest threat, harm and risk. 2. Supporting victims, providing excellent support for all victims of crime with a particular focus on preventing further serious harm. 3. Community cohesion, ensuring that the police, partners and the Office of the Police and Crime Commissioner engage with communities to encourage, help and support them to work together to keep themselves safe. 4. Tackling antisocial behaviour, ensuring the police work closely with partner organisations to tackle antisocial behaviour effectively. 5. Efficient and effective service delivery. The Commissioner wants to ensure that Gwent Police and his office are high-performing organisations which deliver impressive services that meet the needs of all our communities. The Commissioner will hold the Chief Constable of Gwent Police to account with regards to how the police service delivers against these priorities. The plan highlights how the Police and Crime Commissioner will work with the Chief Constable and partners to ensure that Gwent Police plays a full part in dealing with threats from terrorism and serious organised crime. Tackling the real and growing threat of cyber-enabled crime is an important part of the plan. The Police and Crime Plan is a living document and will remain under constant review throughout the Police and Crime Commissioner's term in office. To read the plan in full, please visit the Police and Crime Commissioner for Gwent's website www.gwent.pcc.police.uk.